double bubble, toil and trouble, and all that mishigas. Are you ready for Halloween? I know I am, and I've got so many cocktail hacks that'll amaze and scare your friends. So one tip to make your Halloween party so eerie and perfect is to turn your punch into a spooky witch's brew. You know the key to that? Dry ice. Don't put it directly into your punch because that's poisonous, so we're gonna put it in a water-filled bowl. Never touch it with your hands because it's so cold that it will actually burn you. Let's do one more. Yes! Now at any party, you're gonna wanna have shots. So a fun way to do that at a Halloween party is to make them candy corn style. So the way I made these was very easy, but a little time consuming because you have to let each layer set before adding the next one. First off, we have a sweet condensed milk, champagne, and gelatin layer, letting it set. Sweet condensed milk, orange, jello, and champagne layer, letting it set. Sweet condensed milk, champagne, and lemon jello, letting it set. And you're done. So easy. You can tailor these to any flavor profile you want. You can even make them non-alcoholic for the kiddos. But be careful for the alcoholic versions because they're triples. Time for some more science. Did you know that different liqueurs have different densities? Because of this, you can layer different ones on top of each other in a drink. For instance, coffee liqueur. Now, for a layered drink, you want to be careful with the second layer. You see, I just poured the first layer in. With the second layer, you want to gently guide it down with a bar spoon, creating that really cool layered look that we were going for. There are all kinds of things you can do with ice and gelatin molds to make your Halloween party extra special. We've got a brain. Woo! Oh God, it's alive! Using a brain mold that you can get at the dollar store and some peach jello and a little bit of sweetened condensed milk, you can have this brain. Make sure to spray your brain mold with Pam or else it won't come out and you will be very sad. We've also got ice cube trays that we filled with all kinds of cool Halloween stuff like plastic spiders and vampire teeth, and these will look awesome in your punch. Final tip for making your Halloween party extra special is to decorate your glasses with a bloody rim using a mixture of corn syrup, red food coloring, and a dash of blue food coloring. It'll creep out your friends, and it'll also add a little bit of sweetness, which is nice. Well, there you have it. Time to take these out of the lab and into the party. Your guests will love it.